She was told because she has green eyes that she's likely warm. I have green eyes and I'm cool. No, for real. She said that she has been told several times because she has green eyes that she's gonna have to be a warm season, but I'm gonna show you that that's not right. It is someone with green eyes who is a soft summer. I will show you. Here is the beautiful woman in question with her actually similar eye color. As usual, we know we're gonna do the recipe, so let's do it together and determine, is she cool or is she warm? So right here, you can take a look at the warm versus the cool. Put it in the comments what you think she is. Now, if we look at her value and take the contrast here, I'd say that it is pretty low to medium. Do you agree? And like I said, it is following a recipe. There is a formula for color analysis. This isn't just about, oh yeah, that looks good and cool. What do we think she is? Ding, ding, ding. That's part of it. But we need to do these other things in order to determine an accurate season for people. So being that she is a lower contrast, that rules out a lot of the other seasons. She literally can't be put into those. Like, for example, deep winter. And then we talk about chroma, right? Being another ingredient. You've got undertone, chroma, value. We just did the value and we did the undertone. Now we're on chroma. Chroma is how bright or how muted a person is. And that will determine, can you wear bright clothes or should you wear clothes that have essentially had gray into them, or have they been kind of watered down to meet your chroma? In this case, yes, she's got, like me, she's got the bright eyes. I see it's almost like I'm looking at myself here. She looks good in jade, cool. But the reality is that color on the right is just too bright for her, which is an indication she is not bright, which means she will be in a season that is autumn or summer, because those are the muted part. You've got the bright versus the muted. So then you say, well, maybe let's look at her in some other palettes. Well, if we put her in cool summer, AKA true summer, that's not bad. It will be one of her sister seasons on the other side, so she could wear that, but there is more harmony in the softer colors. She just doesn't have the value or the contrast to rightfully pull off every single color, not within reason, of that palette. Same thing with the light summer. Another thing, of course, her eyes, the colors picking up, right? But you can see that this palette will wash her out. So she is a soft summer. And if you are having trouble on your journey figuring it out, whether you're doing it yourself or you just want validation from me, you know where to find me.